Ever stare at your bank account after a long week, wondering where all the money went? You're not alone. Between bills, subscriptions, and that occasional impulse buy, keeping track of expenses can feel like navigating a financial Bermuda Triangle. Luckily, there are tools out there to help you regain control. One such tool is Rocket Money, an app designed to manage your finances and automate saving. But what if you've been diligently saving with Rocket Money and now need access to those funds? How do you actually cash out? This video will be your launchpad, guiding you through the simple process of withdrawing your hard-earned savings from Rocket Money. Buckle up, because we're about to blast off and put you back in control of your finances. Understanding your Rocket Money account. Before we dive into the withdrawal process, let's take a quick detour and understand the different components of your Rocket Money account. Primarily, you'll have two areas. Management account. This acts as a central hub, where Rocket Money automatically transfers a set amount from your linked checking account each pay period. Savings goals. These are customizable buckets you can create to save for specific things, like a vacation, a down payment, or that emergency fund we all know is important. Now, here's the key. The money in your management account isn't technically saved. It's readily available cash that Rocket Money uses to pay your bills automatically. So, if you need quick access to funds, you can easily transfer them back to your checking account from the management account. However, the funds in your savings goals are truly set aside for your future goals. This is where the cash out process comes in. Cashing out from Rocket Money savings goals. Here's where things get exciting. With Rocket Money, accessing your saved funds is a breeze. It can be done through the mobile app or the website. We'll walk you through both methods. Using the mobile app. Open the Rocket Money app and log in with your credentials. On the main screen, you'll see your management account balance and a list of your savings goals. Tap on the specific savings goal you want to withdraw from. On the savings goal detail screen, you'll see an option labeled Transfer or Withdraw. Click on that option. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to withdraw and choose your destination account, most likely your linked checking account. Review the details and confirm the transfer. Using the website. Head over to Rocket Money website and log into your account. On the dashboard, you'll see an overview of your management account and savings goals. Click on the Savings tab or locate the specific savings goal you want to access. You'll see a Transfer or Withdraw button associated with your savings goal. Click on that button. Enter the desired withdrawal amount and choose your destination account, most likely your linked checking account. Double-check the details and confirm the transfer. Important notes. Depending on your chosen withdrawal method, the transfer may take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your checking account. Rocket Money doesn't charge any fees for withdrawing funds from your savings goals. However, your bank might have its own fees for receiving transfers, so it's always good to check beforehand. Planning your cash out, aligning with your goals. Remember, the beauty of Rocket Money lies in its ability to automate saving for specific goals. So, before you cash out entirely, take a moment to assess your goals. Is there a specific timeline for that dream vacation? Are you on track for your down payment? Has the emergency you were saving for passed? Cashing out strategically ensures you don't derail your long-term financial plans. Security and trust, making sure your money is safe. With any financial app, security is paramount. Thankfully, Rocket Money employs industry-standard security measures to protect your information and funds. These include secure login protocols with multi-factor authentication, encryption of your personal and financial data, regular security audits to stay ahead of potential threats. The final blast-off, taking control of your finances. By utilizing Rocket Money's easy withdrawal process, you have the flexibility to access your saved funds whenever you need them. However, remember, mindful cashing out that aligns with your goals will help you stay on track for financial success. So, there you have it. With Rocket Money, saving for your future is streamlined.